ready for another one? All right. What do we have here? We have the Cirque du Tarot by Liza Robertson, illustrated by Josh Tufts. Okay, it was definitely published by Llewellyn. I love their website, by the way. So, yeah, let's get into it. Look at the picture. It's really nice, right? Circus style, magic. Here's the back. I love big boxes. Let's go ahead and open it. Let's just get into it. I know I don't have that much time left. I got some errands to run. So let's just get to it. Finally found some time to do it during the day. I know I've been doing my videos at nighttime. That's when everybody's settled down, sleeping, the kids are settled. So, all right. So this deck is for $31.99. Okay. 78 card and a 208 full-page colored guidebook. All right, magnet style. Love it. I swear, when it comes to the ribbons, I love it. Here's the inside of the box. That looks like the Hermit. Gotta be the Hermit. All right. Okay, there goes the guidebook. Here's the inside of the box. Easy access to get it out. Ooh, I wonder which card that is. Let's see. All right. So here's the guidebook. Pretty thick. Oh yes, colorful. It's colorful. All right. So, Liza Robertson, she does have other decks. The Divine Practice of Angel Numbers, Tarot Healer, Mermaid Tarot, Path Working the Tarot, Tarot Reversal for Beginners, Tarot Court Cards for Beginners, and Animal Totem Tarot. Nice. This was printed 2021. So, this is dedicated to all who once dreamed of running away and joining the circus. I like that. Running away and joining the circus. Because you could be your true self, right? Okay. So it has the acknowledgement here. Okay. Contents. Welcome to the show, guys. Welcome to the show. Okay, so it has directions on how to read with your new cards. There's a part 1, a part 2. Okay. It has spreads. Okay, so there's a part 3 also. Okay, so the card 1, the past that shaped you. Okay, so it has a spread here in the front. Okay, and then it goes, well, it tells you the card 1, card 2, and what is unfolding. Let me see if in the back they have other spreads. Yep, it sure does. Okay, so in the back it has more spreads. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, so there's spreads there. Here's another spread. All right, and the last spread here. So it does come with spreads. Nice. Okay, so yeah, this is nice. So it has the meaning and the challenger, I guess the upright and the reverse. The upright and the reverse meanings. So the picture in the front is actually the moon card. So this picture here is the moon card in this deck. Yep, and there goes our hermit. Okay, well, let's get to it. Oh, Lord. Hold, please. Come on. Try not to. There we go. I scratched it a little bit. Okay. So it is pretty basic. The cardstock is a little thin. It's not that thick. It does have some gloss to it, so it's not matte. Okay. Now, you guys already know we're gonna do the shuffling test and get a message for us. We get a card, that's our bonus. We get a card. Maybe there's a message in there that we need, right? So let's go ahead. So the first card is the moon. No, not the moon, the fool. What's up with the moon? Maybe there's something significant about the moon. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start. Okay, so I noticed with this deck as well, they have the pages, the knight, the queen, and the kings all together in the beginning, and then it goes from an ace all the way to 10. So I noticed it's like the same as the last deck I reviewed also did the same thing. So that's pretty neat, but I love the details. I love the images, right? Look at the back. Nice, right? I love that old look. Really nice. All right. Okay. Let's go ahead and do the shuffling test. Okay, shuffled beautifully. Comes back together nicely. Okay. Okay. So what do you guys think? I like that it's simple. As far as, you know, the design of the card. I love the details. It's definitely like your imagination just goes wild with this. All right. The shuffling is a 10 for me. For sure. It's not thick to where like it's so like I know I have a few decks that when you shuffle it's just it's hard. You know, this is very smoothly, very easy. It comes back nicely. All right, let's go ahead and get a message. What do we need to hear? see. What's the message for us today? What's the message for us today? This one card. We have the Knight of Swords. So it's like this person, this lady, it's like she's putting on her gloves like she's ready. Okay, let me put on my gloves. Let's go ahead and get down to business. Right? She's getting ready to put on a show. Look at her face. All right, let's get the meaning of that. Knight of Swords. So here's the alley. There is no one more fastidious than the Knight of Swords. It is all in the details for this night. Are the gloves on correctly? Is the tunic pressed and ready to go? Oh, and where's the lint roller? There is a method to the madness of this mental night. Detail matters, and they can make all the difference when one is on the stage. Mistakes happen less when one can be focused and prepared. No one wants to make a mistake when a crowd of hundreds are watching their every move. Therefore, make sure you pay attention to where you are, to where you now stand. Your act will either bomb or soar, depending on how much time you spend on the details. Now will be a great time to take another look at your plan. Do you have it mapped out as thoroughly as you can? And do you know where exactly you are meant to be at each stage of your performance? If not, now is the time to mentally prepare for what is to come. Here's the challenger. The downside of being detail-oriented is that you can also quickly become detail-distracted. This means that you can allow the details to drag you deep down into a rabbit hole of constantly trying to fix and change things without ever achieving anything. It can be very easy for this knight to get lost in his own head and to allow the anxious mind to take control and start screaming. We are not prepared from the top of his lungs. Like it or not, you are destined to take your place on stage. Whether you feel prepared or not, this is why the details will either doom you or liberate you as you plan your next thought or idea. Message. That is a message. All right, so what do you guys think of the deck? Leave your comments down below. I think it's nice. I love how it's not too complicated on, on understanding each card. Yeah, this shuffle's nice. It's not too slippery either. At all. So what do you guys think? All right, so that's the Cirque du Tarot. Here it is, guys. All right, till next time. Bye.